Look! Monster trucks! Look at their giant wheels! 3, 2, 1, go! Well done, Daddy Pig. Wow, you have made the monster truck jump really far. Her family have come to America and are excited to explore in their camper van. Daddy Pig has driven everyone to the Grand Canyon. It is a big hole that contains a giant desert with rocks, and it looks like the moon. Miss Rabbit is going to take... There are lots of interesting things in the Grand Canyon. Can you help Miss Rabbit find them in the helicopter? Let's look around the canyon some more. Well done, you found it. Let's look around the canyon some more. Wow, Peppa is meeting Super Potato and Hash Brown. You can decorate the scene. Loved meeting her favourite stars and wants to show Peppa and George the stars. Ursa Major, the big bear. Crater, the wine cup. Perseus, the hero. Auriga, the charioteer. Move the pieces to the correct place. Peppa and Mummy Pig are doing some shopping today. Well done. Well done. Well done. You are very good at counting. Count the number of items on the conveyor belt and tap the correct number on the till. Can you help Peppa pack the items into the shopping basket? Well done! You have packed all of the shopping. Let's help George build his toy. That is a great start. Let's keep going. Keep going. Nearly there. You are doing brilliantly. You have made George a happy little piggy. That's a great job. It is really coming together. Which piece will you place next? Perfect. George is very happy with his toy. That's a great job. Which piece will you place next? Well done. You have built a fabulous toy for George. Wow, that's great. Circle. Circle. Pentagon. Square. Pentagon. Star. Toy panda. Circle. Square. Square. Circle. Circle. Square. Pentagon. Star. Square. Circle. 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 Square. Pentagon. Circle. Square. Circle. Star. Square. Pentagon. Square. Square. Rectangle. Square. Rectangle. Star. Toy bed. Square. Square. Circle. Pentagon. Circle. Square. Rectangle. How high can you build a tower? Square. Square. Pentagon. Circle. Square. Circle. Square. 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 Rectangle. Toy panda. Square. Square. George have some visitors in their garden today. Who can it be? Before playing with the guinea pigs, first we must wash our hands.
Wash, wash, wash our hands. Wash them nice and clean. Bubbly, 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 bubbly. Wash them nice and clean.
Oh, look, there are guinea pigs to play with. You can feed them and more. Select any of the options below to begin caring for your guinea pig. That is one happy guinea pig. Well done. You have looked after this guinea pig very well indeed. Would you like to care? That is one happy guinea pig. Well done. You have looked after this guinea pig very well indeed. Would you like to care for another? That is one happy guinea pig. Well done. You have looked after this guinea pig very well in time for bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The guinea pigs had so much fun playing today. See you soon, guinea pigs.
Hooray!